Hi, I'm Polly. Welcome to English with Polly. Let's listen to slow and easy dialogues. Speak with me. It is fun and very simple. Let's go. The noisy neighbor.
Mia, do you hear that? It is so loud.
I hear it. The person upstairs is playing the drums again.
I am trying to read my book, but the floor is shaking.
It is very annoying. Maybe we should go and talk to him?
I am a little scared. What if he is a big, angry man?
Don't be silly, Leo. He is probably just a kid who loves music.
Okay, let's bring him some cookies. People are nicer with cookies.
That is a great idea. Let's go and ask him to play more quietly.
And maybe he can teach me how to play the drums later.
One problem at a time, buddy. Let's go.
The giant bug.
Ah, Mia, help! There is a monster on the wall.
Where? I don't see a monster. Is it a ghost?
No, look. It is a giant bug with 10 legs.
Mio, it only has 6 legs. It is just a cricket.
It is huge. It is looking at me. I am going to hide.
Don't be a baby. It is more scared of you than you are of it.
I don't think so. Look, it is jumping.
It just wants to go outside to the grass.
Okay, you catch it, Mia. You are the brave one today.
Fine, I will put it in a glass and take it to the garden.
The cooking disaster.
Mia, why is the kitchen full of white smoke?
Oh no, my toast. I forgot about the toast.
It is not toast anymore. It looks like a black rock.
Open the window, Leo. It smells terrible in here.
I am trying. The window is stuck. Use a towel to stop the smoke.
This is a disaster. I am a very bad cook today.
It's okay. We can just eat cereal for dinner.
Cereal again? We had cereal for breakfast too.
At least cereal does not make smoke.
You are right. Let's go to a restaurant instead.
The Sunscreen Disaster.
Look at the ocean. The water is so bright and blue today.
It is beautiful, but the sun is very strong. I need my big hat.
Don't forget the sunscreen. Your nose is already starting to look pink.
Oh no, is my nose really pink? Give me the bottle, please.
Here you go. Put it on your face and your arms. Oops, I think I put too much. Now I look like a white ghost.
You are very white, Leo. It looks so funny on your nose.
It is okay. Now I am safe from the sun. Do you want to swim?
Yes, let's go. Last one in the water is a slow turtle.
Hey, wait for me. My legs are short.
Choosing a new pet.
Look at this tiny bird. It is bright green and very fast.
It is so cute. Listen, it is singing a happy song for us.
I really want a pet. Do you think we can get a bird today?
Birds are a lot of work. They need a big cage and many seeds.
What about a fish? A little goldfish in a glass bowl.
Fish are easier to keep. Look, There's a gold one with a big tail.
Wow, it is swimming so fast. I will name it Bubbles.
That is a great name. Bubbles the fish. Let's ask about the price.
Do you think Bubbles wants to live with us, Mia?
I think so. He looks very happy in his little tank.
You finished! Great job! Watch this video again tomorrow. It helps you remember everything. Click like and subscribe to English with Polly. Write one word in the comments. I love your comments. Bye-bye!